Think math.
Take one circle, cut it about a bit, and names come pouring out. Arc, chord, sector, segment. All four come from the very same circle. What makes them different enough to earn separate names? Start by marking 2 points on the circle. Join those 2 points in a straight line and you get a segment of a line. That one is called a chord. But there is also a curved route between the 2 points, running along the circle itself. That curved side is the arc. Same 2 points, joined differently, and the names split. So far, these are lines. Now for pieces that have area, the chord and the arc meet at both points. So together they close off a region. That enclosed piece is called a segment. It is the slice left over once the chord cuts across. Change, what does the enclosing? This time, draw 2 radii from the center out to the 2 points. Those 2 radii and the arc close off a piece together. That piece is a sector, shaped like an open fan. Segment or sector comes down to what enclosed it. So there are exactly 2 things that decide the name. First, is it a line or a piece with area? Chords and arcs are lines. Segments and sectors are pieces. Second, what enclosed it? Arc and chord give a segment. 2 radii and an arc give a sector. And a chord through the center is the longest chord there is, which is the diameter. So the names split because the pieces are built in different ways. Join 2 points straight for a chord, follow the circle for an arc, let those 2 enclose a segment, and swap in 2 radii for a sector. Next time, we check whether doubling a sector's central angle really doubles its arc and its area. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.